Hey everyone, just a quick heads up. I'm uploading shorts almost every day where I break down the market with quick technical analysis of that day's chart, showing you how I read price action, identify key levels for entry and exits, and understand market moves in real time. They are short and to the point, not very detailed, but I make sure the explanation is simple enough for you to understand and learn something useful and valuable every day. If you stay consistent and watch them daily, you will start noticing patterns, improve your chart reading, and build that trader mindset over time. So don't miss out. Head over to the shorts section and stay consistent with your learnings. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please be informed that I share some real and practical trading tips to help you become a better trader. In today's video, we are going to understand two very important price action patterns that every trader should know. Yep, and those are double top and double bottom. These are reversal patterns, which means they usually signal that the current trend might be about to change. Okay, I'm very sure you all would be aware about this, but again, it's important to revisit the things that we know that keeps us connected to the roots. Okay, so let's start with the double top theory first. So basically, a double top usually forms after an uptrend. Price moves up and creates a high, then it pulls back slightly. After the pullback, price tries to go up again and forms another high very near to the same level as the previous one. Okay, so visually it looks like a letter M. Okay, this shows that the market tried twice to go higher but failed, which indicates that buyers are losing strength and sellers might start taking control. Okay, but remember, here's the catch, and this is the most important thing that you should be knowing. A double top pattern is not confirmed just because the second top is formed. Okay, the pattern completes only when price breaks below the neckline. And now, what is a neckline? The neckline is the lowest point between the two tops. Okay, so once price breaks and closes below that neckline, the pattern is considered confirmed, and traders usually look for a sell opportunity. Okay, now getting on to the charts so that things are more clearer. So I have already drew a few things, as you can see here, just to save some time, and this is a classic example of a double top. Okay, a best case scenario. Okay, so what you see here is, just a moment. Yeah, so what you see here are the double tops. Okay, so this is one double top, this is another double top, this is another double top, this is another double top, and this is another double top. Okay, so the yellow circles that you see, this is a pair of double top, this is a pair of double top, and this is a pair of double top. Okay, now the orange lines that you see, those are the necklines. So between, just a moment, so between these two double tops, okay, this is the neckline. Similarly, between these two double tops, this is the neckline. Between these two double tops, this is the neckline, and between these two double tops, this is the neckline. Okay, now as you can see here on the charts, so basically, if we talk about this double top first, okay, so what's happening here is that double top has been formed here, right? So here is the double top, and then as you can see here, the neckline is not breached when the prices tried to come down again. Okay, so basically this went up, came down, formed a neckline, went up again, and this completes the first pair of double top, and then it starts moving down. So basically you are not supposed to take a sell trade here because the double top pattern has not completed yet. Where will it get completed? It will get completed if the down move crosses this point, this neckline. If this neckline is breached, then the confirmation happens, and then you can initiate a sell trade at this very point. Okay, so similarly, if we talk about these two double tops, this one and this one, okay, so the price went up, came down, went up again, and tried coming down again, but did it breach this neckline? It did not breach the neckline, so no sell trade here. Okay, so I hope you are getting the point. Now let's get on to the last double top which was formed. So this one and this one, these are the two double tops which were formed. And as you can see here, when the prices started moving down again, it did breach this neckline. So your entry will be exactly at this point because this candlestick closed below the neckline and it confirmed that the sellers are in control. So you take up a sell trade at this very point. Okay, so I hope you're clear with how to analyze a particular double top and when to initiate a sell trade. Okay, so the very same thing in the opposite direction goes for a double bottom. So let me explain the theoretical concept of double bottom so that you're clear on that, and then I will just draw something here and explain it out. Okay, so basically, a double bottom is the opposite of a double top. As I said, it usually forms after a downtrend. Now price falls and creates a low, then it bounces up again. After the bounce, price drops again and creates another low, which is very near to the same level as the previous one. Visually, this looks like a W. Okay, this tells us that sellers tried twice to push the price lower but failed, which means selling pressure is weakening and buyers may take control. Okay, just like the double top, the double bottom is confirmed only when price breaks the neckline. Okay, the neckline here is the highest point between the two bottoms. So once price breaks and closes above that particular level, above the neckline, traders usually look for a buy opportunity. Okay, so basically price comes down, goes up again, comes down, and tries going up again. Now here, this is the first bottom, this is the second bottom, and this is the neckline. Okay, so when will this pattern give the confirmation? When the prices breach the neckline and goes up. So your buy entry will be at this point. Okay, unless and until this neckline is breached, we are not supposed to take a buy trade. Okay, so very similar, or I would say just opposite to the double top here. Okay, so I hope you got the point, guys. I hope you know how exactly to trade a double top and a double bottom, because most of the traders, especially who are new to the trading, they normally don't have the patience to wait for the pattern to complete, and they take up a trade or they initiate a trade even before the pattern is completed. That is not how you trade. Okay, that is not how trading is done. Trading is all about patience. So you need, or I would say you have to wait for the pattern to complete, and only after that you initiate a buy or a sell trade depending on what pattern you are looking at. Okay, so now let me also tell you a few things you should avoid while trading these patterns. The first thing is, don't enter the trade too early, as I just mentioned before some time. Any beginners see two tops or two bottoms and jump into the trade immediately. But remember, the pattern is not confirmed unless and until the neckline is breached. Okay, second point is, avoid trading these patterns in sideways or choppy markets. They don't work. Okay, so they work much better when they appear after a clear trend, either a clear uptrend or a clear downtrend. So do not trade these kind of patterns when you see a sideways or a choppy market. Okay. The third and the last point is, always manage your risk. Even the best patterns can fail. Okay. So always use a proper stop loss and never risk too much capital in a single trade. That's the mantra. Okay, so that's it from my end, guys. So if you found this helpful, Smash that like button, share this with your trading friends, and drop a comment below if you have any queries. Let's help each other grow as traders. And of course, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to the channel for more real and practical trading insights. Thank you for watching. Trade simple, trade smart, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, happy trading and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.